Hey folks, hey this morning. Let me show you what we got. We worked here yesterday. We come by, helped the plumber out, pick up a line over here that they was looking for. Some drainage that was stopped up. We got some drainage right here in this driveway right here. You can see the driveway. The driveway comes in, big old circle drive. We got some catch basins right here, and the plumber had already worked on it from here to over to where we dug out. Still wasn't draining like it's supposed to. Anyway, we come over and help him dig. Kind of got involved in this job, and he had to be somewhere else. Thought it was going to be a quick fix, and they asked if we could kind of stay and help them work on it, and we did. We got some other places to go to, but we got this thing tore all to pieces. You can see here the dirt and all we've got right here. Let me show you what we got going on. We had this pipe down here in the bottom right here, which is that white pipe right there. When we dug this out, every who come in here and did a repair before several years back, they run it over about 3 foot past that white pipe and just deadheaded it right there. The water was going nowhere, and we picked it up right there, and we're going to take it down here to a catch basin. And this is what we did. We couldn't find no white pipe. White pipe around here is getting hard to find. I'll tell you what, material is getting hard to find everywhere. So we got this corrugated, which we're tying into down here. We're tying into some 8-inch corrugated. We've got 6-inch double wall right here going down. You can see all the irrigation here that we've hit, and the night lighting. No way to work around that. I'm just going to kind of just walk you through right here what we got uncovered. We're getting ready to cover this thing back up, tamp this ditch, and got it right here that we've got going on. We're deep right in here. Let me jump this ditch, show you what we got on this end. This is what we got, a bunch of rose bushes right here, sticking the devil out of me. Bad, don't fall in that ditch. You can see right there what we got. Got a little bit of water in this ditch here. This ditch was backfed a little bit. It had a swag in that pipe that we cut, and it drained a little bit of water in the bottom of that ditch down there. You can see we've got an irrigation line there that we've cut. Let me show you what we got, how we attacked this fly down here. You can see down there in the hole there, what we had to do is cut in a Y into that 8-inch pipe right here, and we've got we've cut a joint out of that, put a Y in, put our zip tie couplings on it, stubbed our 6-inch into that. We've got fall down to here, and this right here goes to the catch basin. Our target was originally, over this way. Let me get out of this ditch right quick. We knew we'd intercept because this whole thing up here is kind of jacked up with the way all this stuff is laid out. It don't make no sense, but anyway, it was put in years ago. This was our target. We had about 4 inches of fall from up there around the corner down to here, but we intercepted this other pipe that Y's into this one. Some of them were on down the line, so it kind of worked out real good. We got to fix this back right here. Fix this irrigation back right in there. We've got an irrigation guy coming over. But this is what we got going on here. We've got a catch base over here. We've got water. We just proofed it and tested it. Got water that coming down to here. You can see what we got going on here. See if we got some water. You can see that water down in there. That water flowing down there, so we got good flow coming out right here. So that's kind of what we got going on. We couldn't film yesterday. We had too many people in here yesterday. Kind of iffy about this property here, if we could film. I just talked to the guy we were working for. He said, yeah. He said, you know, just don't show the house and stuff like that and the cars and all, but it's a pretty high-end piece of property here. You can see by the landscaping out there, it is a beautiful, beautiful piece of property. And I'm not going to show you I'm not gonna show the house or anything. Let me get at it. We're getting ready to cover this baby up. Get in here. We got to get on something and get ready for this irrigation guy to come in. See what we can do. We'll check in just a little bit.